How to fix Gcash account is on hold. If your Gcash account is on hold, then the first thing you want to do is open up your settings, then tap on apps. Now from this list of applications, scroll down and find Gcash. Now tap on that. Tap on storage. Tap on clear data. Tap on the delete option. Once that is done, you want to open up Play Store. Now search for Gcash. If you find an update button here, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. Once that is done, launch Open Gcash, log into your account and check if your problem has been fixed. If it is still not fixed, then it can be due to different reasons such as inactivity, invalid information, illegal use, legal orders, or inactive wallet. Now, what you can do is check if you received an email. You want to check the registered emails inbox or spam folders to see if you've received any email regarding account deactivation. If you received this email, you want to click on the link to unblock your account. Once unblocked, you must fully verify your account. If you don't verify within 48 hours, you will be blocked again. Next thing you want to do is check for an SMS on routine verification. If you didn't receive any email, check if you received an SMS from Gcash. Once you've received the SMS, to access your account, you want to click on this link to submit the following required documents. You will have to submit front and back photos of 2 valid government-issued IDs, a photo of your signature on paper, proof of income, and proof of billing. If you haven't received any SMS or email, you want to chat with Gigi. For this, open up any web browser, head over to help.gcash.com, tap on chat with Gigi and simply type in account on hold. Now, the customer support agent will help you fix your problem. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.